You started? Yeah. Now she ain't paying attention. I give it back.
Yeah, we got you on video again. Let me get that.
She's like,
Back girl, check your face. She got a little piece of her mouth right there. I think she it's gone now.
She took it. It's like feeding a pit bull with no teeth. She's like, what?
You like it, huh? It's all in her mouth. Look at her.
She's shoving it all in her mouth. Alright, let's see now.
What's up with this? Why you gotta do that? What's up with that? Alright. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye.